Engage the gooseneck lock pin by flipping the switch down. Rotate the safety pin handle and push it in to engage it. Move the support arm control knob to the raise position until the support arm is fully retracted. Put the lift arm in the storage position. Move the platform height control knob to the raise position until the compression blocks can swing into the desired transport position. Rotate the compression block handle to the selected transport position. Move the platform height control knob to the lower position until the compression blocks are completely seated. Connect the electrical and air connections between the gooseneck and the platform.